Good morning, my lovelies, and welcome to a very overcast Saturday morning. Hope you're all well. So, first things first, as you may all know, the sad news yesterday, Prince Philip passed away. He lived till he was 99, which is a good age, and he accomplished so many things. I'd like to send my condolences to Her Majesty the Queen on the loss of her beloved husband. So this morning I thought we'd pop out and just have a little meander around, see what we can see and see what we can hear, being as it's nice and quiet and calming. So we're going to try and find a spot to sit and see if we can hear any woodland birds. It's just nice, isn't it? It's calm, it's quiet, it's nice. I'm not sure what Miss Lou's found. She probably can smell the rabbits. I've seen quite a few this morning. Come on, Miss Lou. No, don't go through the stingers. You'll hurt yourself. You can hear a chiff-chaff calling. Robin, he's up in the top tree. You won't be able to see him, but I can hear him. Beautiful sound. Off he goes. So we're going to go and pop down to the little river down here. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see. You see all these holes? These are the rabbits. All the rabbits have been down here, look. All these holes are all done by the rabbits. The place is full of them, loads of them. We'll have a little walk down here and see what else we can find. We'll go this way because there's there. And we've got the brook, and it's such a shame it's full of rubbish. It's gone quite misty. Looks like it wants to rain. Oh, looks like we're going this way today then, Lou. That's a blackcap calling. Let's just have a little meander over here. He's up in that back forest. That's a blackcap calling. There's a chiff-chaff calling. Can you hear it? Chiff-chaff, chiff-chaff, chiff-chaff. Somebody's been down there having a fire. Come on, you. You hear it? Chiff-chaff, chiff-chaff, chiff-chaff. There's a robin right in front of me. I'm going to creep up on him slowly. No, he's going to hide. Blessed robin. Oh. Here, chiff chaff, chiff chaff, chiff chaff. Looks like all the bluebells will be up soon. Maytime. We'll have lots and lots of lovely bluebells. Yes, we will. Miss Lou's too busy looking at other stuff. Oh, come on then. Sometimes just a quiet walk in the woods is all that's needed. You know, sometimes you don't need to trundle along the towpaths talking about we don't know what. Sometimes just a quiet stroll in the woodlands is all that's needed. And point out nice things. So get your head out of the way. Moles have been here. Look, that's a freshly dug mole hole. Moles have been active at night. Come on, missus. Come on. That's a wren. Can you hear it? That's a wren calling. There's a robin. Wren. Wrens are such tiny little birds. Chestnut brown colour and a bolt right up tail. But they make the biggest call in the woodland. You can't mistake a wren. See? You don't need to go gallivanting through. Just take your time to listen. There's a robin calling. Come on, you come this way. Good girl. Go around that way. That's it. Good girl. Morning. Go, go, go. Good girl. That's it. Loads of birds calling in the woods. There's a robin. Oh, there's a chiff-chaff. There's a wren. So my lovelies, I'm going to love and leave you. I hope you all have a very, very blessed Saturday. Look after yourselves, be kind to each other, and as always, sending much love and many blessings.